Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming your user data is safely copied to an external drive or network share so repairs won't risk loss. Next, gather the Windows XP installation CD, your product key, and any mass storage drivers you might need. Place them on a USB stick. Reboot and enter BIOS to set CD-ROM as first boot device. This forces the recovery environment to load. Once done, save BIOS changes and boot from the CD to start the repair console process. You will select the installed Windows partition, then press R to open the recovery console. This provides file system level tools. Run chkdsk/r to locate and recover bad sectors, because file corruption is the common cause of boot failures. If boot records are damaged, run fixboot and fixmber to restore them. For registry corruption, copy the hives from C/Windows/repair into C/Windows/system32/config. This preserves user data while restoring system configuration. Make sure to note any errors printed. You should remove the CD and reboot into the repaired installation, allowing Windows to run hardware detection and rebuild drivers. If the system boots but lacks specific drivers, install chipset and storage drivers now to stabilize performance. This prevents future boot loops. If problems persist, try safe mode or choose last known good configuration to revert to a working driver set. If those fail, perform an in-place repair install. It preserves data while replacing system files.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.